Meet Maya. She's in 6th grade, and she just got her math homework back with a big red note. Simplify your fractions. Maya stares at a fraction like 8 over 12 and thinks, how do I even know when a fraction is fully simplified? Sound familiar? Well, today we're going to give Maya, and you, a total superpower. It's called the greatest common factor, or GCF, and it's the fastest shortcut to simplifying fractions. Let's dive in.
Before we find the GCF, let's make sure we know what simplifying a fraction actually means. When we simplify, we're not changing the value of the fraction. We're just writing it with smaller numbers. For example, 8 over 12 and 2 over 3 are the exact same amount, like two identical pizza slices, just described differently. A fraction is in its simplest form, or lowest terms, when the top and bottom share no common factors except 1. The GCF is the tool that gets us there in one step.
To find the GCF, we first need to understand factors. A factor is any whole number that divides evenly into another number. Think of factors as the building blocks of a number. For example, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, because each of those divides into 12 with no remainder. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Maya writes these out on her homework picker, looking for numbers that appear in both lists. Those shared numbers are called common factors.
Now, here's where the magic happens. Once Maya lists the factors of both numbers, she looks for the ones they share. The common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2, and 4. Now she picks the greatest, the biggest one. That's 4. So the GCF of 8 and 12 is 4. This is our golden key. Whatever the GCF is, we divide both the top and bottom of the fraction by that number, and boom, the fraction is in its simplest form. Ready to see it in action? Let's try it with Maya.
Here's the shortcut that Maya wishes she knew all along. Instead of dividing again and again and wondering if you're done, you find the GCF first and divide just once. That single division gets you straight to the simplest form. No second guessing, no repeating steps. It's like having a cheat code for fractions. And the best part, it works every single time, no matter how big or scary the numbers look. Parents, this is a great strategy to practice together at home. It saves so much time on homework. Let's work through Maya's first homework problem together. Simplify 8 over 12. Step 1, list the factors. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Step 2, find the common factors, 1, 2, and 4. Step 3, the greatest is 4, so GCF equals 4. Now we divide. 8 divided by 4 equals 2, and 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So 8 over 12 simplifies to 2 over 3. Maya checks her homework and grins. That red note is history. Next problem on Maya's homework, simplify 6 over 18. Let's list factors. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Common factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The greatest is 6, so GCF equals 6. Now divide. 6 divided by 6 equals 1, and 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So 6 over 18 simplifies all the way down to 1 over 3. Nice and clean. Maya's starting to feel the rhythm now. List, find the greatest, divide once, done. Here's another one. Simplify 10 over 25. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Factors of 25 are 1, 5, and 25. Common factors are 1 and 5. The greatest common factor is 5. So we divide. 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and 25 divided by 5 equals 5. That gives us 2 over 5. Notice we could not simplify further because 2 and 5 share no common factors except 1, so 2 over 5 is already in lowest terms. Maya double checks. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Confirmed. We're done. Here's something Maya discovers that trips up a lot of students. What if you list the factors of both numbers and the only common factor is 1? That means the GCF is 1, and the fraction is already in its simplest form. You don't need to do anything. For example, 3 over 7. Factors of 3 are just 1 and 3. Factors of 7 are just 1 and 7. The only shared factor is 1. GCF equals 1. So 3 over 7 is already fully simplified. No work needed. Maya learns to spot these quickly and save herself time.
Let's try a bigger one. Simplify 16 over 24. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Common factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. The greatest is 8, so GCF equals 8. Now divide. 16 divided by 8 equals 2, and 24 divided by 8 equals 3. So 16 over 24 simplifies to 2 over 3. Look at Maya go! She solved that without breaking a sweat. The bigger the numbers, the more the GCF shortcut saves you time.
One more practice problem. Simplify 9 over 12. Factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Common factors are 1 and 3. The greatest common factor is 3. So divide. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, and 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So 9 over 12 simplifies to 3 over 4. Let's double check. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. They only share the factor 1, so 3 over 4 is fully simplified. Perfect. Maya just solved 5 problems in a row.
Now here's a bonus method Maya learns for trickier numbers, prime factorization. Instead of listing all factors, you break each number down into its prime building blocks. For example, 12 equals 2 times 2 times 3, and 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2. The primes they share are two 2's. Multiply those shared primes. 2 times 2 equals 4, so the GCF is 4. Same answer we got before. This method is super useful when numbers get large and listing all factors takes forever. It's like a power-up for the GCF strategy.
Remember when Maya stared at 8 over 12 and had no idea where to start? Now she can simplify any fraction in seconds flat. Here's her GCF game plan. Step 1. List all the factors of the numerator and denominator. Step 2. Spot the common factors and pick the greatest one. Step 3. Divide the top and bottom by that GCF. One step and you're in lowest terms. Step 4. If the GCF is 1, the fraction was already simplified. From confused to confident, that's the GCF journey. Now it's your turn. Grab your homework and show those fractions who's boss.